Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog I'm gonna start in the evening because it's 6:10 right now, and I'm gonna start by cooking yellow peas curry, which we Bengali called Gughni. I love this. Maybe we'll have it as a snack or we'll have it as a dinner with roti. Let's see, but first I have to make it right. So yeah, and oh, I have this one banana. It get ripe so bad. I'm not gonna throw it out. I'm gonna make banana bread. So if I vlog that, you can see this too with a little bit of twist. I'm gonna make banana bread. Twist means I'm gonna make chocolate filling inside. So yeah, and so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Now let's get into this video. So I already soaked the dal yesterday night. Now I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna give it 2-3 whistles. So yeah. So by the time the dal gets boiled, I'm gonna cut all the veggies needed for the curry, like onion, tomatoes and ginger garlic paste, and I'm gonna make the masala spices paste too. So yep. So for the masala paste, I will use the cumin powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric powder and little bit of salt, and add water and mix it up. Then I'll add oil into the pan, and for tempering I'll add bay leaves and whole red chili. Then I'll add onion, and after it get translucent I'll add ginger garlic paste and tomatoes. After tomatoes get little soft, I'll add masala paste into it and cook it until the oil separates from the mixture, and then I'll add dal into it, boiled dal, and it's ready. And after that I'll add a pinch of garam masala, and that's it, it's ready to serve. We're gonna have it as a snack, so you can have it as it is, but I'm gonna add a little bit of chopped onion and lemon juice into mine, and my husband gonna have just lemon juice, not the onion thing. So yeah, that's it. Hello guys, today is the next day, Friday. Today is 4th of May, I think. Yeah, yesterday I didn't vlog after the last clip you saw in this video, but right now I am vlogging. So I have to clean this kitchen because it's a full mess right now. After that I have to clean inside of the fridge too. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna have my lunch, and then let's see what I do after that. So let's get into this video now. Ba, 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 ba. Now begin the cleaning montage from here. This is how my fridge looks before cleaning. So at first I'm gonna put away all the dishes from the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna load it, and few of the dishes I'm gonna wash by hands also. Then I'm going to scrub down the sink and wipe down all the um, kitchen counters and all the kitchen appliances. So yeah. So for lunch I'm going to have paratha and Gughni, which I made yesterday evening. So yeah. So hey guys, I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I thought of doing it a combined vlog, but it's already a long, it will be a 11-12 minutes long vlog, so I thought let's end today's vlog here, and if I vlog tomorrow, obviously that will be a separate video. And right now I'm gonna enjoy this watermelon and edit this video. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye. And if you guys like to watch my videos and still you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. That will be great. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And so yeah, and one more thing about which I need to talk. Many of you guys asked me to do daily vlog or upload more frequent vlog, you know. So I promised them that I'll do, but in this week I couldn't upload any videos because I couldn't vlog anything, as not well, as little sick, so I'll take a rest. And from today onwards I try to put a frequent vlog at least twice a week. That I can promise to you guys. So yeah, now that's all. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye.